capture who is stealing from you cold. Secretly uncover the mysteries of your employees, enemies, hoodlums, thugs, cheating spouse, gossipers, nannies, cooks, drivers, and destroyer visitors with this innocent looking motion activated audio video hidden wall clock DVR camera. No one will ever know how you catch them stealing from you by capturing their actions on a removable SD card. You can easily plug and play this incredible hidden camera wall clock technology by connecting it to your TV or remove the SD card to view recorded video on your computer. For your peace of mind, get one now from U8 Tech Ltd at www.spyemporiumafrica.com. All you need to do is take your 110 to 20 volts power adapter, connect it to this, go straight to the wall and plug it to your electric outlet. You are in business recording your enemies. This is how the technology works. You see the light? This is where the SD card goes, and this is the camera. But the mystery behind this is you never know where the camera is on the screen of the wall clock.